My cat, he's been wheezly and rattly, and so have I. You'll never guess what I think both of us have been suffering from. So I'm currently out on my deck. It's been a rather unusual summer. Last few days, my eyes have been kind of sore, itchy at night. My chest is feeling a little bit rattly. And just so happens, same thing with my cat. Murray here, he was super raspy this morning. I woke up to this horrible sounding, chesty, hairball-like cough, which you're gonna hear now. I wasn't able to get him on video, but I was able to get enough of it so you could hear it. And first I wondered, does he have a hairball? I didn't know what for sure. And then I thought, I wonder why. Guess what? The answer is right behind you. This is the view from our deck across the mountain, and all you see is whiteness. You can't see the mountain because of all the smoke, and it is everywhere. Mountain at that end, you just see whiteness, all white smoke. I don't know if you can hear me breathe in and out. There's almost a little bit of a sort of wheeze when I exhale. Definitely felt raspy this morning. And if you look into those eyes, maybe you can't see, you're definitely so much redder than normal. Fortunately, little Tula doesn't seem to be affected. Tula, come on, let's go. Go girl, let's go, come on. Tula, let's go. So in all likelihood, the cause of this rattling and wheezing in myself and Murray is relating to the smoke, this wildfire smoke. So these are the 5 things that I'm going to be doing to help Murray deal with the smoke inhalation, as well as trying it on myself. So the first thing is probably the obvious, minimizing the amount of time your pet are spending outside in this wildfire smoke. So you're just not breathing in all these fine smoke particles, which are causing the irritation in the first place. Murray loves to hang out outside, be outside just on our outside deck, be out here in the back deck in this chair. Guess what, Murray? You gotta spend more time inside, less time outside, less time breathing in all the smoke. So we're going inside. He doesn't like it when I'm moving him against his will. He doesn't like anything against his will. Okay, Murray cat. Yes, I know. Come here, kitty kitty. All right, in the house we go. God, Murray. Going in. Oh, to the big bad house. Okay, Murray. We're going in here. Come on, Tula. Good girl. Let's go. In here. The second thing I'm going to do for Murray is treat him for hairballs. He has been outside more than usual because it's summer. He's been getting stuff on his fur, meaning he's been grooming himself far more often. And it's not uncommon for our cats to make that really chesty, wheezy, rattling noise when they're trying to regurgitate up a hairball. Ow, hey! Murray, as you guys know, isn't always the best patient. But he's gonna get some of this. I'm gonna give you, Murray, about a quarter of an inch of some Vaseline. We're gonna potentially treat your hairballs. Just down the hatch. Okay, that didn't go so well. The next thing, which I'm giving to myself, as well as Murray, as well as Tula, really all in the family should be having it, is this. It's the 95% curcumin, and we're doing it doses of somewhere between 50 to 100 milligrams per 10 pounds of body weight daily. This here, it is 500 milligrams of curcumin. So Murray's dose, he's about 15 pounds. He would be getting 150 milligrams a day. I'm a bit more than that. I'm going to be taking 2 of these tablets a day, or 1,000 milligrams. Third, I'm going to head off into the kitchen. I'm going to be making some tea. And the tea is this. All that rattling noise is equating to fluid, which is probably within the airways of the lungs, making me a bit wheezly and rattly, as well as Murray. So one of the safest things to treat that would be with dandelion leaf, which is a natural diuretic. If you can get the loose leaves. You can just drink that as a tea. So I'm gonna be drinking a couple cups of this a day. And you can just sort of dose that back. Be fine to give your cat, a half a cup a day if you're able to give your dog, based on body weight. A big dog, get a couple cups. Small dog like Tula, similar, about a half a cup a day. You could also consider using the dandelion tincture. This is a combination of dandelion leaf, dandelion root. And when we're looking at tincture doses, we're looking at about a half a ml of the tincture, which is about there. That's a half a ml of tincture per 20 pounds of body weight twice daily. Then the last thing that I could suggest that you could give is CBD, or CBD is a tincture. So that's the cannabidiol, that's the non-psychoactive portion of the cannabis plant. In particular, what we're dealing with is, this airway irritant that has caused all this airway inflammation. So I'm trying to think of something that's potentially effective that's going to naturally deal with inflammation. And CBD really comes sort of top of mind in terms of something that's, fairly easy to give, pretty safe for our dogs or cats ourselves, potentially pretty effective, as well as being sort of short-term effective, because I've got all the smoke, it's all irritating. So we're looking at CBD doses of 1 milligram per 10 pounds of body weight daily. So with something like Tula, who's about 20 pounds, she'd be getting 2 milligrams a day. And so this is CBD oil here, this is 300 milligrams and 30 mils. So it equates to about 10 milligrams per mil. Should be getting 0.1 of a mil, and that will be given twice daily. Murray, being about 15 pounds, he would be getting 1.5 milligrams a day of this CBD as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this edition of Veterinary Secrets. No question, the biggest thing is just the common sense. Obviously limiting yourself, your pet's exposure to the wildflower smoke in the first place, and or if you're dealing with something similar that's causing sort of airway, eye irritation. Thank Murray, who was sort of tolerant there in the background. Thank Tula for her cameo appearance. If you've yet to do so, I'd love for you to click up there to subscribe. Click down there to sign up for notifications. And lastly, when you click the link further in the box below, you can sign up for my newsletter. I can send you my free books, my free videos, how to heal your pets at home with my top natural remedies.